How to clean plasma, LCD, LED, and OLED television screens. First, turn off your televisions. Turn off your screen and allow it to cool before you clean it. Second, remove dust with a dry microfiber cloth. Third, mix a formulated cleaning spray onto a clean microfiber cloth. Fourth, clean the television screen with the cloth. Fifth, allow the screen to air dry. Six, buff out streaks. If any residual streaks remain a dry edge of a clean, dust-free microfiber cloth will also help to buff them away. Almost there. The next time you touch the screen or notice a streak, buff it away with a clean microfiber cloth before it becomes a magnet for dust.